what is the challenge if you are pursuing CFA level 1 prep in your first year? See, now they have changed the rules a couple of years back where you are eligible to sit for your CFA level 1 within 23 months of graduation. That means you can take your CFA level 1 for most of the 3-year undergrads in your second year. So if it's a 3-year bachelors, you are eligible to sit for the CFA level 1 in your second year. What that means is most of the students are now studying for CFA level 1 in the first year. So this is very different. Like even 5-10 years back, a lot of the students pursuing CFA were doing it after graduation when they have worked for a bit even. So they have some understanding of the financial markets. So now this does help all the students because now they are able to finish level 1, level 2 while they are undergrad. It also poses some challenges because these students are not aware of some basic terminology. So when we are talking in class, say about what is equity or what is debt, so even these terminologies sometimes they are not familiar, but that's okay. So that's why we have the foundation classes, and a lot of these classes we start from the basics. But in the class, we might give an applied example where we talk about what happens in the current market or what happened in sometime in the past, given experience that we have encountered. And those examples are going to be tough to understand for the students. And as a first year student, what you have to do is try to follow some financial news, either read a website or watch some financial news. And if you come across a term, you can go to Investopedia or any financial place where they have these definitions, read that, get familiarized it, and over time you will be able to appreciate the applied aspect of CFA. Because a lot of the criticism that I see in the CFA community is that some of these students don't have practical knowledge. And the way you can get there is by going and understanding what's happening in the financial markets right now. So in our class, if I'm teaching, I try to give practical examples. And oftentimes this is going to be tough to understand for the first year students. So if you keep at it, so maybe after 6 months, 9 months, you are starting to get it. And then when you're having this conversation, maybe when you're doing an internship or you're going for a job interview, you're able to talk with a lot more understanding of the practical aspects. It is also going to make your level 2 prep a lot more easier. So that is why we say, for first year students, you need at least 12 months to prep. Regular students, maybe 6 months to 9 months is enough. But if you are a first year student preparing to sit for the exam in your second year, you need to give at least 12 months to prepare for your CFA level 1. All the best with your CFA journey.